Had you asked me when I was in industry whether I'd be teaching or not, I would say you're crazy. I wouldn't think about even going into teaching. Initially, I wasn't sure if I was gonna make a career change. My job that I had, their company was moving and I wasn't willing to move. I could have easily gone to another shop or another area within my realm of expertise. But a friend of mine, she recommended that why don't you think about becoming a teacher? I said I never thought in a million years that I would be able or be willing to teach it, but I was able to observe classroom within a trade, and I saw how nice it was to deal with young people. And now you're asking me to teach a profession that I love, that I grew up with, and now dealing with young minds and trying to shape them and share that passion with them. I couldn't miss that opportunity. And as I kept going and pursuing certification for being a teacher, I just grew to love it more and more. So I just love my job and I love teaching.